Amazon told you FBA fees would go up 8 cents a unit this year. A seller replied in Amazon's own announcement thread and said it was more like 30 cents. Amazon's own numbers now say that seller was right, and there is a third increase already on your account that most sellers never budgeted for. Stay with me about 4 minutes and you will know exactly what changed, what it actually costs per unit, and the one date in October that decides whether your fourth quarter survives it. The part nobody covering this is saying out loud is that these changes stack. So here's the honest question. When did you last rebuild your cost per unit? If the answer is January, your margin sheet is running a number that is about a third of what you are actually paying. 3 things changed, and they landed on 3 separate dates. January 1st, Amazon stopped offering prep and item labeling for FBA shipments in the United States. January 15th, fulfillment fees went up by an average of 8 cents a unit. Then April 17th, Amazon added a 3.5% fuel and logistics surcharge on top of your fulfillment fees. 3 changes, 3 dates, 1 bill. Now, Amazon framed the fee increase carefully, and the framing was accurate, less than 0.5% of an average item's selling price. No increase at all the year before, and genuinely smaller than the 3.9 to 5.9% that other major carriers pushed through. On the headline number, Amazon was telling the truth. But go and look at the thread under that announcement. The most upvoted reply on the whole post, 55 upvotes, is a seller pointing out that the year with no fee increase was the year Amazon introduced inventory placement fees, a low inventory level surcharge, long-term storage surcharges, and higher return fees. Their words were, that was the biggest fee hike to date. And another seller said flatly, it is more like 30 cents. Here is the reframe, and it is the whole video. That seller was not exaggerating. Amazon's own help page says the April surcharge works out to about 17 cents a unit on average. Add the 8 cents from January and you are at 25 cents a unit already before you have paid anybody to prep a single box. The headline number was never wrong. It was just never the whole number. And the surcharge is not calculated on your sale price. It is calculated on your fulfillment fee, which already scales with size and weight. So it is not 25 cents everywhere. It is a multiplier landing hardest on your bulkiest, heaviest units and barely touching your small ones. A blended average will hide that from you completely. Then there is prep, and prep is not a fee at all. It is a new way to lose money. Shipments created after January 1st that show up without proper prep and labeling are no longer eligible for reimbursement if they are damaged or untraceable. A mistake that used to be refundable is now just gone. And it covers more than the shipments you send in yourself. Amazon confirmed it applies to inventory coming through Amazon warehousing and distribution, Amazon Global Logistics, Amazon Send, and the supply chain portal anytime that inventory ends up in FBA. If you assumed one of those routes still got prepped for you, it does not. So what do you actually do, and where is the good news? The good news is that Amazon named the levers itself. Update your packaging, pick a cheaper inbound option, and keep your inventory levels healthy. Packaging is the strongest one because size tier sets the fulfillment fee, and the surcharge is a percentage of that fee, so dropping a tier cuts both at once. Amazon also shipped a profit analytics dashboard that shows the impact product by product instead of blended. And now, the date that matters. Holiday peak fulfillment fees run from October 15th through January 14th, 2027, and the 3.5% surcharge applies on top of those peak rates too. That is about 11 weeks away. Whatever you order for the fourth quarter, you are ordering it into peak rates plus a surcharge. Rebuild your cost per unit by product, not in aggregate, and do it before you place that order. If this saved you a recalculation, subscribe, because we break down every Amazon change like this one. And tell me in the comments which product of yours got hit hardest by the surcharge, because I am willing to bet it is the heavy one you were about to reorder. And as we wrap up, you can actually contact us below. Right in the description, there's a link that you can click and contact us right away. We're not only Amazon consultants, but we're also Amazon experts that will do full account management or one-off tasks. Everything Amazon. Contact us today. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.